Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome to Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website MPIinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, we saw a big selling on Friday, majorly supported by the DIIs. Yes, the DIIs have sold for almost 1,633 crores and they are on a profit booking spree, while the FIIs continue to buy for almost 1,110 crores. But then, like I've always been saying, FIIs are the short-term investors, and is it just probably the FOMO, that is the feeling of being left over, which was probably making them buy it, and they're continuing to buy. So not sure with the DIIs selling so much, the FIIs are going to take the market higher for how long is something that we need to watch. So today would play a very important role in deciding the market's direction. So let's see how the next 1 or 2 days can actually change the direction of the market. So right now, of course, things are looking bearish, because even after the Indian markets closed on Friday lower at 17,758, we could see the US market continuing to fall. In fact, even yesterday the US futures have also fallen further, which has actually led the Indian markets also to kind of open lower today. So we might see a gap down opening by almost 100 points today, which is almost close to 17,650. So around 650 to 680 is what we could expect the Nifty opening today morning. So what is going around? So basically, if you look at the US, like we discussed yesterday in the Sunday meeting, the Jackson Hole Symposium is something which would be in major focus for this week. And apart from that, there is also news from China, which is cutting their benchmark lending rate by another 5 basis points, which is bringing it to one of the lowest lending rates as of now. So both these economies are kind of disturbed, and that's exactly why we could see that uncertainty in the markets across the globe, and same thing can be seen in India as well. So that's something that needs to be focused on. Let's see how technical analysis can play here, because technically the Nifty is not bearish yet, but like I've been telling you, fundamentally there is nothing to drive the Nifty further higher as well. So it is just pure technicality and the global cues which could actually help us understand what could happen in the Nifty. Apart from that, if you look at some stock specific news, L&T is in news, like we have discussed yesterday. They are commissioning a green hydrogen plant at Gujarat, which is going to have a capacity to produce almost 45 kg of green hydrogen daily. So that's something really good, and they are planning investment of almost $2.5 billion there. So that's something looking really good. So we should watch out L&T today, and we already have some good investment in L&T. I am sure that's going to yield us real good fruits. JSW Steel is in news, as they have actually entered into a joint venture with National Steel Holding for setting up scrap shredding facilities in India. So that's something really good there. Paytm is also in news. So you must be aware that there were some rumors of Vijay Shekhar Sharma may not be appointed as CEO and MD, but yes, after the AGM, they have actually, in fact, a majority, 99.67% of shareholders have approved to reappoint Vijay Shekhar Sharma as the CEO and MD of the company. So that's something looking good there again. So that uncertainty over the Paytm stock is kind of cleared now. Greenlam Industries is in news, as they have started commercial production at their laminate manufacturing facility in Gujarat. So that's something really good. So Greenlam is another stock which has come added to our radar now. So let me see a good opportunity there. So another stock that has come to our radar is Brigade Enterprises, which has been in our radar for quite some time, because they've also seen their sales booking rising by almost 70% annually. So that's something really good. So these are two stocks which are newly added to our radar. Let's see how they perform and when we can enter, and that's something that needs to be watched out. And for all those members who are invested in IRCTC, we discussed yesterday. So all those rumors of monetizing passenger data is kind of clarified by a top management member, saying that they have no intention to do such thing. And if this hype was actually making the stock rally for last 2 days, we should see what happens to the stock today. So let us see how things perform at IRCTC. And yes, apart from that, the weakness is kind of still there. The global markets are also weak. So with all that, we should actually be looking at how the markets would perform today. And as the Indian markets close today, we'll see the US markets performance in the evening as well. So these are two things that can decide the direction for this week. So let us closely watch them. But apart from that, like I've told you, I am not expecting the Nifty to go below 17,000 as of now, even if there is a big fall. So that's something which I am looking forward to, based on which I am taking my trades for now. So if you look at the Asian markets as of now, Korea is down by 0.69%, Hong Kong is up by 0.19%, and Shanghai is also up by about 0.5%. Japan is down by 0.34%, so it's kind of mixed across the globe. But then yes, everybody would be cautious because of the Jackson Hole Symposium. I'm sure all of you know about it, so that's something that needs to be watched out. So as of today, I would say the major focus would be, of course, Mahindra also would be news, which I forgot yesterday we spoke about, as they are planning to take over the Talegaon plant of General Motors. So if that happens, that's a great news again for them. So it's like Tata was taking over the Ford plant, so it's an added advantage to both of them. So that would actually strengthen the Indian automotive sector as well. So auto stocks can also be watched out for today. But after such a major sell-off which happened on Friday, I am expecting Nifty to kind of consolidate today. I'm not expecting much fall today in the market. Let's see how the market reacts. And we could probably see some FIA power in the market, wherein if they look out on buying, that could actually even rally further the market. But I would say for now, it would be a sell on rise kind of situation, and any fall would be opportunity for us to buy some good stocks, very selective stocks for an entry. So with that, this is Srikant, Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share this with your friends to help them learn and invest together with us. So goodbye, have a profitable day and a profitable week ahead. And being the monthly expiry, of course, the volatility is going to be on the peak. So members who are kind of trading on your own, be sure to be staying safe. So with that, goodbye, have a great day.